I was gonna hop online and my desktop just crashed, so I might as well record a video. New laptop. Although you can see the RAM DIMMs, I've taken them out. I was doing some cleaning yesterday. I got this laptop about a month ago, I want to say. This is a Dell Studio 1569 that I put Linux on. Except it doesn't yet have Linux because I don't have a working drive. This battery is supposed to be at 11 something, 14, 16, whatever volts. It's at 4, so that's going to need to get fixed. DDR3, it's got an i5 M430, so like the lowest tier first gen Intel i5. Nice keyboard. This I got to be a secondary work machine because that thing is quite annoying. Don't ask about the GPS stand. I don't know where my GPS. Oh, it's here. Oh, there it is. I have a lot of stuff on the floor. Oh man. Alright. Let's load now. It's the end of the video. I don't have much to share about that thing except I need to upgrade the RAM kit on it.